Okay, let's be real. There's nothing quite like grilling. Whether it's those juicy burgers, smoky steaks, or even some grilled veggies, food just hits differently when it's cooked on a grill. But if you've ever tried shopping for one, you know how overwhelming it can get. Like, how do you pick the right one with so many different options out there? Well, that's exactly why I'm here today. I'll be breaking down the best gas grills that are perfect for every kind of budget and cooking style. Whether you're just starting out, hosting epic backyard barbecues, or looking to treat yourself to something high-end, I've got you covered. And if at any point you're interested in checking out any of these grills that I'm about to mention for yourself, I've included affiliate links in the description that could help you save a bit on your purchase. That said, let's get right into it. Okay, let's be honest. Gas grills are popular for a reason. They're quick, convenient, and easy to use, whether you're hosting a weekend barbecue or just cooking up a quick dinner. Gas grills get the job done without the hassle of dealing with charcoal or waiting for the coals to heat up. You get precise temperature control, faster cleanup, and a ton of versatility, with features like side burners and rotisseries. So if you're looking for a grill that's reliable, convenient, and perfect for everyday use, gas grills are a no-brainer. That said, let's jump into the top picks and find the perfect one for you. So starting with the Weber Summit GC38S, it's the best grill for outdoor cooking if you want one that can do pretty much everything. With a generous 681 square inches of primary cooking space and an extra warming rack, this grill is built to handle anything, from intimate family dinners to hosting large barbecue gatherings. Its stainless steel construction not only makes it incredibly durable, but also adds a sleek premium look that elevates any outdoor kitchen setup. What makes the Summit GC38S truly special is its versatility. This isn't just a grill. It's an all-in-one outdoor cooking system. The sear station delivers those perfect steakhouse grill marks. The built-in rotisserie burner slow roasts everything, from whole chickens to leg of lamb. And the smoker box lets you infuse rich, smoky flavor into your food without needing separate equipment. It's perfect for adventurous cooks who want to experiment with various techniques. There's also practical features like the LED-lit control knobs for nighttime grilling and an efficient grease management system that make it as convenient as it is powerful. And it's also available in natural gas or propane models. It's priced at just under $5,000, so it's a premium investment backed by Weber's 10-year limited warranty. So if you want a grill that offers exceptional versatility and performance, this is the one for you. Next up, if you're looking for a grill that's solid and feels really premium without totally breaking the bank, the Blaze Premium LTE Plus is a great pick. It's made for people who care about having a durable, reliable grill that delivers every time. But what I love most is the little details. It's got these light-up knobs and interior lights, which are honestly such a lifesaver if you're grilling in the evening. And the rotisserie burner is a great feature for slow cooking roasts or getting that perfectly golden whole chicken. It takes your grilling game to the next level. What really makes this grill stand out is the build quality. It's made entirely of stainless steel. It's tough enough to handle the elements and easy to clean. Plus, the spring assist hood makes it super smooth to open. On top of that, it's super easy to control the heat. Whether you're searing burgers or slow cooking veggies, the temperature stays consistent, so you're not constantly adjusting it. And it costs just under $2,800, and so if you want a grill that's reliable, stylish, and just enjoyable to use, the Blaze Premium LTE Plus has you covered. After that, if you're looking for a grill that doesn't cost a fortune but still feels premium, the Weber Genesis E325S is a solid choice. It's got plenty of space, like 513 square inches to work with, so whether you're grilling up steaks for the family or doing a little barbecue for friends, you're covered. And the warming rack is super handy when you're dealing with a lot of food and want to keep everything hot. Another great thing about this grill is how even the heat is. You don't get those annoying hot and cold spots. It's just consistent across the entire surface, thanks to the Weber's even temp system. Plus, the sear zone burner is perfect if you're like me and obsessed with getting those perfect grill marks. And the flavor bars, they're not just for the smoky flavor. They also make cleanup way easier, which is always a big plus. The design's great too. It looks sleek with a porcelain enameled lid, and the side table is surprisingly spacious. perfect for prepping or holding all your tools. And speaking of tools, the built-in hooks keep everything within arm's reach, which is so convenient. It costs around $850, so it's a really good balance between price and performance. And it comes in both natural gas and propane versions, so you can pick what works for you. Honestly, if you want something reliable and versatile without spending a ton, this is the one. Lastly, if you're looking for a grill that is the perfect balance between quality and affordability, the Broil King Baron Pro 490 is the one you should seriously think about. It's got a great amount of cooking space, 460 square inches for the main grill, and a warming rack on top. So whether it's burgers for the family or a slow-cooked roast for a weekend dinner, there's plenty of room to get it all done without feeling crammed. And one thing I really like about this grill is the dual tool burners. They heat evenly across the surface, so you don't have to deal with frustrating cold spots where some food cooks faster than the rest. And if you've ever thought about trying a rotisserie, this grill has a burner built in just for that. So it's great for whole chickens or roasts. It gives you that slow, even cook that you can't quite get on the regular grates. What's also really practical are the foldable side shelves. If space is tight on your patio or deck, you'll love how easily they fold down. Plus, the tool hooks are super handy. It's just nice to have everything you need right here, instead of fumbling around looking for tongues while your steak's on the grill. Also, the cleanup isn't a hassle either, because the grease management system works well, which honestly just makes life so much easier. And it's priced at just under $1,000 with an option to go with natural gas for an extra $60. So it's a solid deal for what you're getting. And they've got a lifetime warranty on the cookbox and 15 years on parts, which is some serious peace of mind. Whether you're new to grilling or have been at it for years, the Baron Pro 490 feels dependable, practical, and worth the investment. Now, if you're trying to decide which grill is the best fit for you, it really depends on what you're looking for. The Weber Summit GC38S is the ultimate choice for serious grillers and entertainers, with features like a smoker box, rotisserie burner, and a massive cooking area. It's perfect for hosting large barbecues or experimenting with advanced cooking techniques. If you want something premium but slightly more accessible, the Blaze Premium LTE Plus 32-inch gas grill delivers high-end performance with its durable stainless steel build, spacious cooking area, and illuminated knobs that make evening grilling a lot easier. For those looking for reliable everyday performance, the Weber Genesis E325S is a great mid-range option. It's easy to use, offers great heat distribution, and is ideal for casual family dinners or smaller get-togethers. And finally, the Broil King Baron Pro 490 is a practical and affordable choice for grillers who want consistent performance without overspending. With features like dual tool burners, a rotisserie option, and foldable shelves, it's great for both beginners and seasoned cooks working with limited space or budgets. Wrapping this up, when it comes down to it, the best gas grill is the one that best fits your needs, cooking style, and budget. Whether you're firing up a quick family dinner or hosting a big backyard barbecue, the right grill doesn't just make the process easier, it makes it more enjoyable. Gas grills are all about convenience, reliability, and versatility, offering features that fit seamlessly into any outdoor cooking routine. Whatever option you end up choosing, you're not just investing in a grill, you're investing in countless great meals and unforgettable memories. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And just as a quick reminder, if at any point you're interested in checking out any of these grills for yourself, I've included affiliate links in the description that will take you straight to the BBQ Guys website, where you might even be able to grab a discount on your purchase. Plus, if you'd like to get even more into any of these options, I've put together detailed reviews on each grill, which I'll also link in the description down below. So be sure to check those out, and as always, if at any point you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.